This video number 2 to play between the vector and the streamlines. Okay, so we are on the fluid scenario creation. So you can click on this, or if you are here, you can click on result, and you get the same thing here. It's a little bit long. Okay, so remember, when you've got this, you can play. So this is what we call the part body, and this is what we call the region. Okay, very important for you. Okay, so here, remember, we got the stream, and we got this one. Okay, so you can play with this plot. So we set up this. Okay, so in entity and the region, so this one is the part, okay, and this one is the region. So you can use the region for the vector. Okay, you got this. Okay, so if you go there, velocity vector, okay, and if you want to play with the velocity with the streamline, it's better to go so you get everything here. It's not easy to use, so I prefer to close this to minimize this. I just want to put there. Okay, so here you go back there, and for the line I prefer to use a part and this one. Okay, so you got everything. Take care here, not the velocity vector, but the velocity, and you get the same for the pressure or the absolute pressure. Okay, for this one you can select it, and so you can select this one and play with the center button. Okay, and left click on this to restart with the drawing. Okay, so the streamline is a velocity, and here you select the part from the entity, and for the vector you select the region. Okay, and here velocity vector. Okay, don't forget you got everything here. You can play with this to put more or less vector. Okay, something interesting now. Okay, I go back to the velocity. Okay, remember here entity part. It's very interesting to play with this, with what we call a rake. Okay, you can select a point there to the beginning, and a point would be the end. Okay, there, and you can select how many times. It will be more accurate, and you can check what you want. Okay, what you need, I think it's everything.